Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, I gonna unbox free up app package. So here is my free up app package. Let me show you what are all things I got. If you don't know about free up app, it's similar to OLX where you can buy or you can sell your old products. You can buy or sell using coins or in rupees. Let me show you the first one. It's a kitchen towel or a kitchen napkins, and it is in new condition and the quality is also good, and it is white too. And this is also a kitchen towel but with a different pattern. Guys, if you haven't installed the free up app, here is the referrals code on my screen where you can use this referral code while signing up on the free up app, where both get coins for free, and you can use those coins to buy any products in free app. Just you need to pay a delivery charge, that's it. And here is the third one. This is also kitchen napkins but of different pattern, and this is also a new condition. Here you can hang. And this is the fourth kitchen towel, and this is also with a different pattern and new in condition, and the quality is also very good. Well, guys, some people ask whether this free up app is genuine or not. Definitely, it is genuine because I'm buying this products from free up app from almost 1.5 years, and it's 100% genuine, where you can buy or sell your products. And the next product is this loofah, and this is of good quality and it's new in condition. All the products are new, and this one is also loofah with different pattern. And next thing I got is this adhesive wall hook. I got pack of 3. Let me show you. And here it's pack of 3, and it is also new in condition, and the quality of the product is good. So guys, all products are good and genuine.